Good morning, students of class 9. Today I am explaining you values and data types. Okay, in the chapter 3. Okay, in this chapter I will explain you data types and their corresponding values in simple method. Okay, first of all, in introduction it is given language is a medium of communication. It is true, we also communicate to each other with the help of language. The language may be anyone, Hindi, English, but computer has different language. As you know, computer understands only 0 and 1, and we speaks Hindi, English. Okay, we speak Hindi, English, but computer understands only 0 and 1. That's why we have developed Java programming to communicate with computer language. Using Java program, we can communicate with computer. Okay, here character sets in Java. Okay, so character set, as you know, characters means what? Alphabets. But in programming, character sets means it may be digit, it may be number, it may be alphabets, maybe symbols. Okay, but these all things comes under the character set. Okay, for example, character sets. Okay, different types of character sets are given here. First, letters. We have English A to Z in capital letter and A to Z in small letter. Digits, we have decimal number system we use. We human speaks write a decimal number system 0 to 9. Total 10 numbers are there. Its base is 10. Okay, operators, we have 3 operators. First is arithmetical operators, second is logical operators, and third is relational operators. Arithmetical operators calculate arithmetical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Logical operators, mostly we have 3 types of logical operators. First we have this is the symbol of AND operator. After that we have OR operator and NOT operator. Generally we use all these 3 operators. Relational operators, which relate to things which is greater or which is smaller, we can evaluate very easily with the help of relational operators. Okay, less than, equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, we write less than, equal to like this. Okay, but greater than, equal to don't write here. Equal to will come after greater than symbol. Okay, this is the symbol of equal to and this is the symbol of not equal to. Students, there is a minor difference between equal to sign and double equal to sign in Java programming. Double equal to signs means equal to, and single equal to sign means assigning the value, assignment operator. Okay, and this is the symbol of not equal to. I hope you understood. Delimiters we have. Okay, delimiters are special character like semicolon, minus sign, semicolon, colon, question marks, dot, small bracket, medium bracket, and big bracket, etc. There may be more things. Okay, so these are all are belonging to the character sets. Okay, now Unicode. First of all, we have to understand Unicode means what. It is a coding system. By name it is clear that it is a coding system, universal coding system, which we use to translate our language into computer understandable form. Okay, this is the coding system in which we stores our program. Okay, for example, it gives you 1,60,755 characters, which is huge amount of characters you are allowed to write in Java programming if you are using Unicode. Okay, you have total numbers of 139 modern and historic script, means historic scripts and modern script type. You are allowed to write 139 approx, and total 1,60,755 characters we can use here. Okay, which is huge amount, and we write this Unicode in hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number, students, means 0 to 9 and A to F, means total 16 numbers are there, digits are there. Okay, and their base is 16. This is the main symbol of hexadecimal code, and we represent hexadecimal code like this: 0x40 up to 0x4f. This is 16 bits code. Okay, why 16 bit? Because this is hexadecimal code. Okay, some advantages are given here of Unicode that you try to understand. I am telling you, it is universal coding scheme, which is I have told you in the beginning. Universal coding scheme, it is a more efficient coding system than the ISO or IEC. Okay, better than ISO. Unicode is it supports uniform coding with all the characters 16 bit. A particular code of a character is always unique. Okay, two characters will always it will different. Okay, will be different code for more than one character. So here codings are given here. Okay, students, next you see this ASCII characters and codes. First of all, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. By the name it is clear that this is developed by America, and America has developed this ASCII code, and this code we are using largely nowadays. Okay, so why? Because this has very less amount of character, to 0 to 127 characters, means total 128 characters including 0. Okay, so and characters tables are given here, and so this is nowadays in our computer, IBM computer and all other computers, we use ASCII code. Okay, American code. That's why when you write American program PROGRAM, that will be correct. If you will write PROGRAMME program, then that will be incorrect. It will show you wrong. It means a computer does not understand any other language. It understands only American language. Why? Because due to ASCII code. Okay, ASCII code is developed by America, and it understands only American English, American coding, American symbols. Okay, other thing, if you will write, okay, if you will write COLOR color, it is okay, all right. If you are writing COLOUR, color, then it will show wrong, mistake. Why? Because color OUR is British English. That's why it will not accept British English. Why? Because of ASCII code. That meaning of COLOUR is not defined in the ASCII code. That's why that is coming wrong. Okay, I hope you understood what is the use of ASCII code. Okay, so characters you can write. Total 256 characters are given in ASCII code. You can use this with the help of notepad. Open notepad and hold on alt button, and from the numeric key you press 48, you will get 0. From numeric key, if you are pressing 53, then you will get 5. By holding alt, if you are pressing 65, then capital A. 90, then it will show Z, capital Z. And if you are pressing 97, then small letter A. Like this, when you will press 122, then it will show Z. So this is the chart of the ASCII code. Here distinguish between Unicode and ASCII code is given. Two differences are given here. You memorize this. Okay, escape sequences. Escape sequences, we have to break the line to separate the line in the output screen. Okay, the use of escape sequence is largely we use in output screen. Okay, we write escape sequence in the program, but its effect come in output screen. Okay, we will see that its result in output screen. You see, for example, backslash is given here. Yeah. For example, backslash T to give the horizontal tab. Okay, it will put one tab space between two words. Double backslash for the backslash. Backslash colon we use for the single quote. Backslash double quote for double quotes. Like this, backslash n we use for new line feed, and backslash n we use largely. Backslash n we use largely. Why? To break the line, to bring the new line. Okay, so using escape sequence are available in the Java program. First is backslash n. This character is used for a new line feed. As soon as backslash n is encountered, the cursor skips the current line and moves to the next line on the screen for printing the remaining part of the output. Printing means, don't understand that getting anything output in the paper. Printing means displaying result, the remaining part of the output. Display. Printing means executing, displaying. For example, here statement is given. This is the output statement. System S will be capital. Okay. System.out.print. ln means, it also means break the line. It will bring the new line. Okay. Bracket we have to start. Double quote name colon Ayush backslash n. This is the string value, and backslash n will bring the new line. And to separate these parts, we give plus sign, and then double quote age colon 14 years backslash n. This again line will be broken. Okay, and this will separate class 9. Okay, double quote bracket close, then semicolon. Okay, then it will show like this: name Ayush, then backslash n has broken the line, then age 14 years. After that again backslash n has broken the line, then class 9. After that no statement is given, that's why no backslash. Okay, here one more next example is given here. Okay, int a equal to 4, b equal to 5. Here in this we have seen only use of strings, but we will use variable here in this output statement. Okay, system.out.println double quote first number, this is the string value, okay, equal to double quote, this is the string value, this message will be prompted on the screen only, and its respective value will be printed in after the equal sign. Okay, first number equal to this plus what is the value of a 4, then first number is 4, and then plus in the double quote we enclosed this backslash and why, to bring the new line, then plus is a separator, double quote second number equal to double quote plus b, it will bring the new line. Okay, then second number will come 5. I hope you are understanding. I am trying to explain these things in the simple way. Okay, it's not very hard, very easy. This is the string value. Okay, this is a message, it will prompt on the screen only. Here plus a means value you are giving, and here this plus is separator and backslash will break the line, and then second number will be printed. Okay, backslash t it puts one tab space between two words or letters. Okay, this character is used to separate the value while printing them on the screen. It will provide a gap of 8 spaces between them. 8 space means what? One tab. Okay, one tab equal to 8 space. Okay, it is also called tab spacing. Okay, tab spacing means 8 tab space. It acts similar to the tab key when passed on the keyboard. A4 B5 integer value is taken, system.out.println first number is equal to a backslash t second number is same output statement that this we have seen on the top also. Okay, only difference here it was given backslash and now we are seeing backslash t. Okay, first number 4 up, and here one tab space, 8 space is given after the second number. Okay, so third statement you can also print after one tab space if you like to print. Okay, here also like this, Aditi, tab space age 14 years, tab space class 9, backslash t. I hope you are understanding. Backslash t we used to give the one tab space between two words and two lines. Okay, students, next video I will upload very soon. Thank you very much.